Welcome to Goprodigii ESG Analytics, the ultimate solution for executives specializing in outreach within the dynamic oil and gas industry. With Goprodigii ESG Analytics, the outreach team gains access to real-time, precise ESG data, empowering them to craft compelling data-driven narratives and presentations. This capability proves invaluable when engaging with diverse external stakeholders, including investors, regulators, and community leaders. The company's ESG performance analysis can be drilled down into sustainability dimensions and their corresponding general issue categories. This verified information serves as a testament to the company's unwavering commitment to ESG principles, fostering trust among stakeholders. Understanding sentiment surrounding specific ESG issues empowers the outreach team to tailor communication strategies. By identifying stakeholders' top priorities, engagement becomes targeted and more meaningful. Negative sentiment trends serve as early warnings for potential crises, enabling executives to respond with data-backed counter-narratives. ESG performance has gained prominence among investors. Positive ESG sentiment enhances the company's appeal to socially responsible investors. The tool facilitates proactive sharing of ESG initiatives, attracting and retaining such investors. Executives can customize messaging to emphasize the most crucial ESG factors for each stakeholder group, aligning with their unique interests and concerns. The tool categorizes high-impact general issue categories for SWOT analysis, enabling executives to proactively address issues and align outreach with corporate policies and goals. Standardized qualitative and quantitative accounting metrics ensure comprehensive performance analysis. Automated reports streamline regulatory compliance, enhancing efficiency and transparency. The tool provides benchmarking data, enabling the outreach team to gauge the company's ESG performance relative to industry peers. Goprodigii ESG Analytics is an invaluable resource for outreach teams in oil and gas companies. It supports stakeholder communication, strategic planning, regulatory compliance, and crisis management.